Hey guys, in this video we're going to discuss blending. Blending is a term that we use when we have done what we wanted to do with the sides. After we've done the debulking and we've done the lineups and the tapers, now it's time for us to blend the sides with the top of the haircut. And how we do that is we use a couple of methods, one of them being clipper over comb and the other one being scissor over comb. This is what blending looks like, is when you take the side and you blend it in with the top of the hair. And now we have blended the 1.5 into the top and into our crown.